this video we are going to check about the term called metamerism. So what is metamerism and how metamerism is performed in organic compounds? So it can be defined as the molecules which is having the same molecular formula and same polyvalent functional group. I will elaborate this term polyvalent functional group. For example, if I am taking an oxygen, so oxygen is having more than one valency. And this type of isomerism cannot be shown in monovalent functional groups. What are monovalent functional groups? So monovalent functional groups are like chlorine, bromine, iodine, iodates, okay, fluorides and etc. This is polyvalent because it is having more than one valency. So here I will elaborate some of the polyvalent functional groups. The polyvalent functional group, here we are having oxygen as polyvalent functional group and sulfur, and this is acidic anhydride, and this keto, and this is acetate or acid functional groups, and this is amides, this secondary amine, this tertiary amine. Here the minimum carbon containing hydrocarbon with oxygen containing oxygen which shows the metamer. Here I will elaborate, and this high carbon can shift here, and these both are similar structures. Okay, these both, it will have a change in the carbon length on the left hand side and right hand side compound, but what happens, this both names in the same manner. So this is not a metamer. For example, I am taking the next carbon, we are having this compound. These two compounds are metamers. So this carbon, these both will not be a metamers. But you can identify here. Here we are having one carbon atom, and here we are having three carbon atoms on the either side, and here two, and here two. This is methoxypropane, and this is ethoxyethane. So definitely these two will have a difference in the chain length on the either side of the functional group. That is polyvalent functional group. The either side we are having different carbon length. So definitely this can exhibit a type of isomerism called metamerism. So this is called metamerism. Metamerism in the sense we are having polyvalent functional group. Towards the left hand side and the right hand side of the polyvalent functional group, the number of carbon atoms, the segment of the carbon atom which is attached towards the left and right will have some differences as shown in this example. Just look here, this is 1, and here we are having 3 on the right hand side, and here 2 and 2. So this set is called as metamers, isomer which is having the difference in the chain length on the either side of the polyvalent functional group, that is metamers.